Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I partnered with Revlon to bring you guys this fall makeup look using the new Revlon Color Stay Matte Light crayons. I absolutely love the formula of these lipsticks. They are so lightweight. So if you guys want to see how I got this full makeup look and how I got this ombre lip, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my base off camera to kind of save on time. So we're going to start with eyeshadow, and I'm going to be going in with the Sigma Ambiance palettes. It's one of my favorite palettes for like super neutral, warm kind of shadow look. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Oasis and apply this to my upper crease area and just blend it all over. I think I had something on this brush because this color normally looks a bit lighter than this, so I definitely had something on this brush, but either way it's pretty, so I'm gonna go with it. But next, I was almost about to not use this. I want to use the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in the shade Gia as a base. You don't really need a base for the shadows in this palette, but I just kind of feel like applying a bit of a base on my lids, and it's a shimmery gold shade, and I'm gonna kind of use this to cut the crease a little bit. And then I'm gonna go into the shade Sunflower, and it's a gorgeous gold shimmer, and so I'm gonna use that, apply this directly on top of that base, and it's gonna help it pop even more. Not that it really needs it, but you know, it kind of takes the work out of having to build up a shadow when you apply a base first, which is awesome. So then we're done, and I'm just gonna go back in with that same shade we used first, the Oasis shade, and just blend the outer corner. Super easy but boldish look. I love like mixing a transition color with a gold shadow. It's super easy and it looks like that you did a lot of work. So yeah, it's like a little mini hack to eyeshadow eye look. And I'm gonna go back in with that shade we used on our lid, the gold shade, and apply it a little bit to the inner corner. And when you use different brushes, like brushes that are more dense, it applies the shadow like in a bolder way, so it looks like it's a different shadow in the inner corner, like a bolder gold, but it's just because I changed the way that I applied the shadow. So that's like a cool hack as well. And then I'm gonna take the Tres Luce Intenso liner, and it's in the shade Honest, and apply this to the waterline. And then for mascara, I'm going to use the Bite Beauty Upswing mascara and apply this to my top and bottom lashes as neat as possible because I always apply it so messy, and then I have to go in and clean up, and it's just a whole thing. So I'm gonna try to apply this as clean as possible. I'm actually doing a good job so far. I hope I didn't just jinx myself. And then for blush, I'm going to use this, I don't even know how you describe this color, like a pinkish, orangish, like pink and orange mixed together. And I'm gonna apply this. It's from Lawless. It's the shade Phoenix, and I'm just gonna tap this on my cheeks. Honestly, I would use Sephora Collection Hot Flush blush. You guys know I love that, but I lost it. Like, I don't know where it is. I feel like I left it in Nashville or something. Maybe I'll come across it, but I really think I left it in Nashville. And then I'm gonna do a touch of highlight, and I'm gonna use the Balm Cosmetics Let's Bolt highlighter, and it's a gold shade, and I think it's gonna be really pretty. Oh yeah, that's super pretty. You guys can see that. My kind of highlight. All right, now let's prep for our lip color that I'm super excited to share with you guys. So I'm going to be applying the Revlon Color Stay Matte Light crayons, and I am so excited to share them with you guys because they are such beautiful lipsticks. They have such saturated color, so comfortable on the lips, and lighter than air. Honestly, they're made with nano pigments that makes the lipstick 30% lighter than your average lipstick, which I think is like super amazing because I know what it feels like to have heavy lipsticks on the lips, and it just does not feel nice throughout the day. I've tried a ton of lipsticks, as you guys know, in my lip swatch videos, and these are some of my favorite lipsticks. They are in a crayon style, which I think makes it even better because it has a a built-in sharpener at the bottom. So you just take that bottom piece out and then you're able to resharpen it time and time again. That makes it so much better. So I am actually going to do the formula of lining my lips with one color and filling in my lips with another color. So I am going to start with the Revlon Color Stay Matte Light Crayon in the shade On Cloud Wine, which I think is such a pretty name, and I'm going to line my lips with this. And because of that built-in sharpener that I was talking about, these always can be sharp, so you can use them as a lip pencil, which I think is like super fun. So I'm gonna finish the top, I'm gonna press my lips together, and then I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Color Stay Matte Light Crayon in the shade Ruffled Feathers, and we're just gonna apply this to the center. Is that not so pretty? Like, I love these lip colors. Make sure you check out the description box because I will have the link to these lip colors. So this is the completed makeup look using the new Revlon Color Stay Matte Light Crayons. I absolutely love the formula of these lipsticks, and you guys can just see how beautiful the shade is and how I was able to create kind of an ombre lip. Make sure that you guys head down to the description box to check out the links to these matte light crayons. I love them so much, so make sure that you guys check them out. Thank you all so much for watching as always, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.